Hey everyone, so for Wellness Week, we are going to work on a calming box. Some people might call it a relaxing box or de-stress box, but essentially it's just one place where we can keep all of our strategies, all of the things that help us stay motivated and feel good and de-stress and stay calm in one spot so it's easily accessible to us, especially during those times where we're getting overwhelmed or maybe a sibling's irritating us, we need a break from our homework. I know it's been hard for everyone to stay home. So this is just kind of a reminder in one spot of all the different tools and strategies that can help us stay a little bit more positive and feel good. So you're going to start with finding a box at home. This can be any type of box. It could be a bin, a basket, maybe a shoe box that you can kind of jazz up. This is the box that I'm going to use. You could even use a box that you might have at home from Amazon or something like that. And essentially, it just has to be something that can fit some items. So we're going to start next with finding things to put in our calming box. So these are things that help us de-stress. And you're going to get creative at home and find things that work for you. I'm going to show you today a few items to place in my box that might help me. So just some examples, and then I'm going to encourage you all to do the same at home. So first, I'm going to start with Play-Doh. Play-Doh is just fun. It's something that's moldable. It's helpful because it actually allows us to de-stress by kind of squeezing almost like a stress ball and relaxing some of those muscles that sends messages all throughout our body to then de-stress. So that's something that can be fun. You can create things with it, make it really flat or round or anything that you want to do. So that's going to go in there. Next, something that really helps me is music. So to give myself a little bit reminder that I can listen to music to help me, I'm going to put some earphones, so some little earbuds in there. Again, it's just a reminder that music might be one of my strategies and can help me. So those are going to go in there. Next, I'm going to put some scents. So for instance, I have essential oils here, and this is just a scent that can help with relaxation, calmness. Some people might have this at home. They might put it in like a bath or just smell it or place it on themselves. And some people, they might feel like this is too strong of a scent, and that's okay. There's other things that if you still like scents and you want something a little bit different, you can find like a milder soap or lotion. I just encourage you to make sure that you're not choosing something that's too powerful in smell, because remember, we want this to be something that's relaxing to you. So we don't want to put anything in our calming box that could do the opposite effect of that. So I'm going to place that in there. Next, I'm going to place some positive quotes or words. That can be something that can help, because sometimes when we're getting frustrated or overwhelmed, it might be hard to remember thinking positive. So I'm going to put some quotes in here like hope, strength, don't give up. So these are just some words that might help remind myself to stay motivated. Some people might use like a humorous quote or any type of quote that helps motivate them or make them feel better. You could cut out words or photographs from magazine articles and place them in there. Anything that might help you either laugh or smile or motivate you. Another item that I've placed is a picture. So sometimes during these times where we have to be home a lot and we're not able to do some of the things that we want to do, like see our friends and things like that, it can be helpful to put a positive memory in your box to remind you that this isn't forever, and that you'll get to be able to do those things again. So something that helps me relax is being around water. So I have a picture of my dog on the water. And again, that's just something that can help me relax and remind myself of a good time. And then lastly, some people, it helps to have some textures. Some people like grabbing like a smooth rock from their yard, and that can be kind of cool and relaxing. Some people like things with texture. So right here I have like a hard rock, and that's going to go in there. because it has cool little textures. Some people like soft things. So I have this guy. He's just kind of soft and squishy, like a stress ball. So that can be really calming as well. So I'm going to place him in there. And that's it. That's all you've got to do. And here we have our calming box. So I'm going to encourage you to find things at home that help you. Again, it can be very different for everyone. So some people like squishies or Orbeez or kinetic sand or things like that. Get creative and find things at home that work for you. And I hope you all can work on this today or this week and let us know how it goes. We'd love to see them. Thanks, guys.